A wall-hung collapsible baby play area that folds into a wardrobe transforms tight living spaces into safe, child-friendly zones without sacrificing daily function. Design the system around a fold-down padded playmat that anchors inside a cabinet at adult waist height so you can lower it without bending. Use high-density foam covered in wipeable, non-toxic fabric and secure it with quick-release straps so it stays put during play and detaches for washing. Pair the mat with wall-mounted toy shelves that fold flat into a shallow box when not in use, mount them on heavy-duty piano hinges, and add a soft close mechanism to prevent pinched fingers. For edges and boundaries, install hinged soft wall panels made from layered foam and breathable fabric that lock at 90 degrees to create a three-sided play nook and fold completely flat against the wardrobe door. Add magnetic removable safety gates that clip to a slim bracket inside the cabinet so you can snap them into place around the opened mat and stow them discreetly on the bracket when not needed. Finally, include a foldaway chalkboard activity surface that swings down from the inside of the wardrobe door and locks level with the mat, so drawing and sensory play are integrated without extra furniture. 3 common mistakes are underestimating clearance needs, using inflexible materials, and ignoring maintenance. If you do not measure the drop clearance and door swing, you can create pinch points, so measure floor to ceiling and door paths and add a few inches of buffer. Rigid, sharp-edged fittings cause injuries, so choose soft, layered panels and rounded hardware and test components for give under pressure. Skipping washable and replaceable covers leads to hygiene problems, so design removable covers and use machine washable or wipeable fabrics and label parts, so laundering is straightforward. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover versatile storage to living transformations and connect with local contractors who can build and install collapsible play systems. We also provide a discussion community where we share plans, installation tips, and contractor recommendations, and where contractors find project leads and homeowner feedback.